The ingredients needed for Sabasigge bhaji are Sabasigge or tea leaves, oil, garlic, 6 green chilli, salt, a pinch of turmeric powder, and I have soaked moong dal. First, let us cook the moong dal by adding water and turmeric powder. You can cook it in one burner outside only. Now, let us grind the green chilli and garlic finely. Now let us cut the tea leaves or Sabasigge into fine pieces. Now our moong dal is cooked. Now let us prepare the bhaji. Let us pour 5 spoons of oil. Now let us add the smashed green chilli and garlic. Let us saute it for 2 minutes. Turns aromatic. Now let us add the Sabasigge or tea leaves and saute it or stir it properly. Let the tea leaves cook for few minutes. You can see the moong dal is cooked. Now let us add the salt, and at this stage let us mix the moong dal along with the Sabasigge and mix it evenly. Now your Sabasigge or tea leaves bhaji is ready.